Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about hydro dipping a Seadoo plastics. And so what we've got here is we've got some plastics that we have already base coated. We've got a custom color that's actually matched to the Seadoo plastic itself on the rear, the front fascia here, and of course we have a trim piece. And of course we're going to be dipping them in a carbon fiber film. It's going to be our CF282. It's going to be a really cool design. Definitely going to give it a very unique look. So we've got everything prepped out already. Let's go ahead, let's get started on the dipping, and we'll lay out the first film and get started. So here we go. All right, so we've already got our film laid out. We have plenty of room all the way around this entire part. Again, we're probably going to be dipping it something more like this right here. So then that way we have all of the front side, the top side, looking really good, and then it's going to come up and wrap around this back edge right in through here. Now again, with something like this, it's probably going to stretch out in these areas right here, so we'll come back in and we'll blacken these areas and make this all look really good and professional. But the main objective is getting, of course, these bars all through here in the carbon fiber, which is exactly what we're going to do. So let's go ahead, now that we've got all of this cut, let's go ahead and get it in the water and get to dipping this first part. Let's go. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related. Definitely check out our other videos. We have tons of other videos on hydrographics, as well as if you're looking to get into the hydrographic business, definitely check out the website. We have tons of supplies and everything that you're going to need for the hydrographics, from tanks to training to film. Of course, all of your paints, primers, clears, activators, everything that you're gonna need, definitely check out the website. It's gonna have that as well. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.